Today in the garage at the Indian Motorcycle Product Development Center, we're going to talk about Stage 1 slip-on exhaust with fishtail tips and Stage 1 high-flow air intake. Dan, I would say easily this is the first modification that any motorcycle guy wants to do.
Yeah, exhaust for sure is a quick change, right? I mean, everybody wants a little bit more noise. These particular exhausts have a really, really great tone. What you're looking at here is our classic fishtail tips. There are other tips that you can use on this muffler. We have a 6-shooter, we have a straight tip, all really good looking tips. So you get a really nice sound, you get a classic sound. And the nice thing about our exhaust systems is you don't need a power commander to tune the bike for this. We give you a calibration card, the dealer does a flash for the VCM, and you go out the door. No changes, no extra things you have to buy. You just slide them on, have a quick flash done, and you go.
Perfect, that's a quick, easy install, and this is a big upgrade, not only visually, but you get a little bit of performance out of it as well. And like you said, I kind of dig these. This is a really classic look with the fishtail tips. As far as the intake goes, same deal. I feel like this is a little bit more of a classic look. I think for guys that are looking for that vintage style, that's a good way to go.
You get some performance enhancements for sure, but it's really a little bit more about style. I mean, it's always nice to get some additional performance, but style is kind of the key thing here. You know, you can get either one of these parts, the mufflers or the intake in black as well, if you're a dark horse guy.
Perfect. I know you had mentioned that there's different tips for these. Are these actually interchangeable, or is that a separate muffler?
Nope, they're interchangeable. So you actually buy the muffler without a tip, and you pick your tip at time of sale. So you can pick the fishtail, which is a very classic look, or a 6-shooter, which is a little bit more bad looking, or just a straight tip that's got lots of sound.
That's very cool because I change my mind a lot. One day I like the fishtail, the next day I might like the 6-shooter. It's kind of cool that you don't get cornered in with having to buy an entire new exhaust.
Yep, gives you that ability for sure.